Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to send a part of a GIF in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's dive right in. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. Launch the application and log in with your credentials. Next, go to the chat where you want to send the GIF. Find the chat you wish to send the GIF to. Once you're in the chat, click on the smiling face icon. This will open the emoji and GIF options. From the options that appear, go to the GIFs tab. This will display a variety of GIFs to choose from. Select the GIF you want to send by clicking on it. This will open the GIF in a larger view. To send only a part of the GIF, use the left and right arrows located above the GIF. Move the arrows to define the specific section of the GIF you want to send. You can also drag each arrow to fine-tune the selection. Once you've defined the desired part of the GIF, hit the Send button. The selected portion of the GIF will now be sent in the chat. Sending a specific part of a GIF in WhatsApp on your PC allows you to share the most relevant and interesting moments with your friends and family. That's all for today's video on how to send a part of a GIF in WhatsApp on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.